You want to put the bench up to a 45-degree angle. You can lay your dumbbells down there. Go ahead and lie down. You want to put your head above the bench so you're nice and comfortable. You don't get choked. It doesn't hurt your neck. Just lay your chest there. Get comfortable in there. You could plant your feet on the floor, or you could put them over here, which is, what will happen is I'll lift this up and you can put your knees on it. He likes putting it on the floor, but he'll show you either way. So go ahead and put your feet on the floor and grab the dumbbells. Now, you want to let your arms hang, shoulders back and down, slightly bent elbows. You're going to do a fly, but the way I want you to do the fly is not up high where it hits your rear delts. We're trying to hit the lats. So you bring your hands slightly downward, then fly back and squeeze all those muscles in your back. Go ahead. You want to breathe in on the way down and blow out on the way up. Keep your head nice and straight. Look straight down. Wrists are straight. You see he's not bent. They're perfectly straight. You want to come down till your arms are just hanging there. Don't go too much in. Now his arms are straight. They're parallel with one another. Then come up and go as far back as you possibly can. Some people are more flexible than others, so just feel yourself out. Come up and squeeze that back. Look where his hand is. It's centered with the center of his back. Look where his shoulder and his hip is. It's right in the middle. Bam, right there. And it's squeezing that lat muscle.